Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we have a theme for you to go by, and this week's theme was gift card. Next week's theme will be Christmas. So any last minute Christmas cards or creations, whatever you got, you can go ahead and use our hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, as well as hashtag Satmorn Makes, and that one's hosted by Jillian Norwood. So all of the ladies' links will be down below. Make sure you use those hashtags so you can enter into our collabs. So this week I am using this Stampintus die, and this one is called Mini Slim Die Set. So I really like this gift card die set. It can be gift card, envelope, and a regular card if you want. Then for my creative time, I'm using a couple sets from hers. This one's called Ginger House Border Die, and there's two in this set, and I really like this set. Love what I created with it. It's just so perfect. Anyway, so if you'd like to use my code MOE for 10% off your total purchase, you may do so. I'm also using this Starry Background 2024. Love this embossing folder, and it was perfect. From Altenew, I am using Warm Blessings, and I use Sending Warm Blessings. And then from Spellbinders, I am using this All You Need Sentiments dies. I'm using Holiday Greetings as well as Christmas Wishes from this. Love that. And here are these lovely gift cards that I created. Love them. Oh, there was one more thing that I forgot to show you that I used, which was this. I picked this up from Dollar Tree, and it's an acrylic ink, I believe. Yeah, acrylic paint. And then I just added a little bit of water to it to use for paint splatter. It worked perfectly. So anyways, let me show you this card slash Christmas card and envelope. I love how these turned out. It was just the perfect scene for me. And there goes the holiday greetings. The only thing that's different about these is that one of the cards I used Christmas wishes. But the other two holiday greetings, there goes the paint splatter. I did add some little gems around. And if you can look closely, you can see my Creative Times embossing folder back there. It created such a beautiful scene along with that gingerbread border die, house dies, perfect. And then on the inside, I got Sending Warm Wishes there. And looks like I need to glue that down a little bit more, so I'll get that corrected. But anyways, love this Sending Warm Blessings. That's probably one of my favorite stamp sets for Christmas greetings. And then I can also leave a sentiment there if I would like. That's the place for the gift card. Love that. And like I said, it does make envelopes too. It's just perfect. It can be side folding or top folding depending upon which way you want to use it. But love these gift cards. They're just so pretty. So pretty. One more look at that. So if you have the time, make sure you enter in on our collabs, hashtag Satmorn Makes, as well as hashtag Two Crafters, One Design. The ladies' links will be down below. That's Jillian Norwood, Girliest Cards, You See Why I'm a Diva, and you're here. And that's for me. That's me, Mo Creations. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.